Clear, clear, clear. Sorry, brother. I thought you were hitting that grenade.
No, I was standing behind Joe when it came out.
Yeah. Roger.
Where are you at? Back here. Always. What do you need? I'm not medic. No, I'm not medic.
Hey, get back in the room. You can't lean out, bro.
I need help getting across. Alright. Well, I'm still there.
You ready to get out? We get across?
Wait for it. Tell us when you're ready. Surprise grenade.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
I'm usually because other people go. Now I'm going to have to take you back.
Stand by. You guys done? You coming this way, Squirrely?
We gotta let him get across.
Roger. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Suppress.
1, go.
Load.
Yeah.
Hey, 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 hey. Can I get a couple people in the hallway down there?
Coming in.
Roger. From what I see.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
I think the owl is sufficient.
Yeah. I agree.
I'm hit, I'm hit. They can't, you can, as a terrorist, you can shoot through the doorways like this. The thing is, you can't like stick your hands out and, ow, shit, I'm hit. Ah, shit, great question. For a rifle? Right here, right here.
We got a kit. I got an extra.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, he's behind this couch. Did you guys get him?
No, I swear I did, but I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know if I called it.
I know I got at least one down the hall. He's poking his head out.
All right. Sorry.
Do we have anybody in the hall still?
Yeah, we got spirits and dude over here. Terrorists, you can leave your rooms!
No, let's get ready. Just get a good platform here.
I got that.
Okay, he's suppressing. Let's go. You ready? Keep suppressing. Keep suppressing.
I hit you. I'm pretty sure there's a guy still in this room just fucking hospital.
Okay, come on.
I saw this girl.
We're gonna enter through here. Ready, guys?
Mike, wait up.
Hey, we need suppression down there.
Okay, there's one right there.
Right here? Right here?
Yeah, right on top of the barrier. You ready?
Roger. Yeah, just we need suppression.
Hang on, what do you mean on top of the barrier?
They put a barrier up at the end of the hall.
His head poking over the barrier. He's got a laser and a light.
Roger.
Ready, Spirits? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
It's clear. This room is
Very clear.
Get behind us. Use this as cover. Use this as cover. That room right over there. Yeah, using it as cover.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Back in. We got 2 left, boys.
Roger that. Does anybody have a mock grenade? A grenade
I
you
do
can
not.
toss?
No.
Hey, you guys have a grenade?
What's up?
A grenade?
A spent Thunderbee shell.
Just give me a shell. A shell. Roger that.
Got one.
We need to suppress end of the hall. We're breaching.
You good to go, boys?
Yep.
You go. Okay.
How many we have left?
We got 2 medikits.
Fuck, man. I want to get you in the action, man. Okay, you guys got suppression? You ready? Hit. You both hit. You both hit.
Yeah.
Hold on. Keep covered. Good. Hey, we're gonna need. How many people are down there suppressing?
One.
You want to keep suppressing or do you want to breach?
Doesn't matter.
Roger, keep suppressing.
On this, we got the end of the hallway, right?
Yeah.
Then to the right, there's a room, and there's a guy that keeps up poking his head out.
Roger. Roger.
Hey, call your head.
I got friendly fired, by the way. Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna breach.
There's a fucker shooting at us over there. Dude,
Roger. We're clear. We're clear. We're clear.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good save, brother.
Matt, see if you can get an angle on this one.
Roger that.
I got nobody in this doorway.
Sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Roger!
I need something to breach.
You guys done?
Oh, it hit me in my thigh.
I'm sorry.
Back up on the door.
Ready?
Boys ready? Boys ready?
I got it.
Cover left. I'm going right.
3, 2, 1.
Hit. Good work. Good work. Good work.